Hello guys. Welcome back to my tutorials. I love you all so fucking much. This time we are doing how to do MLG voice. Daniel, that's me. For this, you'll need 2 pieces of softwares, Balaboka and Daniel voice.exe, as shown on your screen. Alternatively, you can download the raw package I made. Link is in the fucking description. Drop this inside folder, outside, or you could just tap extract here, as we pros do. You will find 2 Balaboka zip files. One is portable version just in case you may need. First of all, extract the Balaboka zip file. Start the fucking setup. Pass the administrator permission if needed. Click next, next, next. You can tick this one too, if you are into this kind of shit. Before launching, do this shit too. Install the Daniel MLG voice setup, as shown. Wait for it, you impatient bitches. I've already installed it, so it is showing me different options. For you, just click on next, next, install, finish. Where the fuck is Balaboka shortcut? Follow me to its destination. Here it is. Let's make its shortcut. Press copy, here. Paste shortcut, on desktop. Some shit just appeared here. I don't know, maybe this system is possessed by a fucking demon or something. Anyways, open it. This is where real shit happens. Let me show you an example. Tap this icon to hear it, or press F5.
Hey look, it's Daniel.
The fuck? This isn't my voice. You have to change this drop down to the glorious Scansoft Daniel. Now let's hear it again. Hey look, it's Daniel. Yeah, now it's better. Hey look, it's Daniel. XDDDDDD lolmao. Haha. Alright, everything's working perfectly. You can click this icon to save the audio file. Alternatively, you can press Alt plus S keys. Tap save. Hey look, it's Daniel. XDDDDD Doritos are the best. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to like this video, because leaving helpful videos unliked is bad manners. Subscribe if you want more of these videos coming to your screen. Your mate Clatzeo.